So yeah, guys, my name is Arun Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without anything further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what's actually happened in my daily routines. Basically, in this video, I'm going to tell you today's routine. So this video is about to be the routine of 11th July 2024 of the day 218. Okay, after I think 218, but maybe it could be happen. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start today's video. So basically, last night I went for the sleep very late, around 3:30 to 4 a.m. Last night I went for the sleep. That's why I woke up it very late, around 11:30 I woke up approximately. Okay, so I woke up on that time, and I saw that my mother is also here, and one of the person is also here. Okay, so basically he was the relative of the of ours. Okay, so he just only came to situate his utensils here because they were going somewhere. Okay, so that's why. And my mother woke me. So basically after that, what I had done basically, you know I think that maybe I brought my clothes, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, so first I had done some exercises. Okay, so after that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened today. Okay, so after that what I had done, let me tell you first. Okay, so after that I worshipped first. After taking the bath, I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped. Okay, so basically after that I didn't do too much thing, also not ate the food. Basically I just only ate offerings. Okay, and after that I went to the first floor, and I started talking to my one of the sister, and I didn't done too much thing throughout the whole day, not even I studied. So basically it is a very bad thing that I had done today. That means that I didn't sat for the study not even a single time. I hope that from now it would never be happen. Okay, and in this video I'm going to organize something and give it, not organize, giving the announcement of something. I'll tell you in the end of the video what's the announcement. Okay, so yeah, so basically after that I went to the first floor to ground floor, ground floor to first floor, first floor to ground floor. Okay, so I just trying to sleep around 2 to 2:30 approximately happened. So I thought that I should eat something. So I brought two chapati with fried bitter gourd. Okay, so after that I started eating. So when I was eating, after that my mother came and she told me that have you didn't eat still yet? You are trying to eat now. I told her yes. So basically this is a thing which was happened, and after that I talked with my mother. I spent my time with my mother, and after that I started searching of something. Okay, so last night I was doing something. Last night I opened one of the oldest account, and I found a one Gmail ID which I used to use. Okay, in the past around 2017. So basically I just only need to the OTP which will be came to my father's phone. So because here is no any for my in first floor, there is no my father's phone, that is in ground floor, and everybody was sleeping. So I decided that I will take OTP to the next day. But next day I woke up at very late, and my father went for their work. So at the time of evening, when my father came, after that I brought my OTP. So after that I found one of the video which is nearly approximately 6 to 7 years old. I found, I showed to my mother. They were everybody were uh, smiling. Basically what is in the video, there is nothing. That is my nephew was there, who were playing with the watermelon, big watermelon, and he was just only a kid. I don't think that his age on that time more than 1 year, I don't think. So basically I saw this video, and basically this is a thing which was happened to the entire day. And I also saw to my sister. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened, and after that I didn't do much thing. I went to the first floor, and I started searching of something. So after that I went to the ground floor. Again I went to the first floor. Again I went to the ground floor. What I ate today? I ate today dal pitti. Now basically dal pitti is basically Indian Indian in Bihari tradition food. Okay, basically we used to eat. Not in Bihari, and UP is also there. Okay, but as a Bihari dish is, it is actually, so it is made up of flour. Okay, and pulse also added, and spices as usual. So basically after that I ate, and after that I went to the Thursday market with my sister. Basically my sister purchased some vegetables, and after that we came home, and after that I drank lemonade. So after that I spent my time with my family, and after that I came to the first floor, and I talked in Joestock app for English speaking skills, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I started shooting the video. Okay. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you will understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, let's start today's 5 or 10 words. Okay, and vocabulary learning. Quickly, jaldi se. Sit man, do this quickly. Otherwise, someone came and saw this. Rude. Badtamiz, you are a very rude nature person, that's why I don't like you. You didn't respect to the anybody person. Chatterbox, Batoni, and Batoni is also we call that garrulous person. Okay, chatterbox or Batoni, we can say that garrulous. So chatterbox, you are a very chatterbox person. It shouldn't be happen, dude. Someone feels very, someone feels very, the word is feels. You know, the word is not coming in my mind. Like someone was trying to feel uncomfortable because of you, because you're doing too much chatterbox. You're a very careless person. Fourth word is introvert. Sarmila. Oh man, there is no need to be introvert. Okay, you do anything that you wanted to do. You purchase anything that you wanted to do. But first thing, I will not pay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fifth word is tunnel. Tunnel means guys surang. The approximately around 40 laborers was stuck in tunnel. That's really a very bad thing. Sorrow means guys dukh. Why he thinks that you are suffering from sorrow? Kidney beans, rajma. I think I also write this kidney beans, but I don't know exactly about that. Maybe, but I don't know exactly about that. I think that I want to eat kidney beans sabzi. Okay, sock, Harani. When I went there, I was totally too much shocked after looking at that. Next word is self. Self means guys daraj. I think you should open yourself, and after that you should search there. Next word is guys pebbles. Pebble means guys conquer. I think that the inside the pot there is too much pebbles. So how much word we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we have done 10 words. Okay, so let's start from the bottom to the top. Let's complete till 13. Okay, 13. It's happened 9. कंकर पैबल दराज थैप हैरानी शौक राजमा किडनी बीज दुख सौड़ो सुरंग टनल शर्मिला इंट्रोवर्ट बातोनी चैटरबॉक्स बदतमीज रूट जल्दी से क्विकली कमी स्केरसिटी साहसी डेयरिंग भूखमरी स्टारवेशन सुझाव सजेशन योग्य कैपेबल राजमिस्त्री मैसॉन साजिश कॉन्स्पिरेसी अभिमानी एरोगेंट काल्पनिक फिक्शनल गिरवी रखना मॉर्टगेज उधार देना लैंड अंतिम संस्कार फ्यूनरल मंदबुद्धि मोरॉन जानबूझकर डेलिबरेटली ढीला लोच भरोसेमंद इट्स रिलायबल भविष्यवाणी प्रेडिक्शन असमर्थ अनेबल बेकार यूजलेस गरीबी पॉवर्टी मसलना मैस पिघलना मेल्ट आश्चर्यचकित वॉन्डर बहस आर्ग्यूमेंट हलवाई, कन्फ्लेक्शनर, लोहार, ब्लैकस्मिथ, सोनार, गोल्डस्मिथ, मोची, कॉबलर, दर्जी, टेलर, नाई, बार्बर, जवाबदेह, अकाउंटेबल, दिखावा करना, प्रिटेंड, मेहनती, हार्ड लेबोरियस, आनंद, प्लेजर, सहानुभूति, सिंपति, दौलत, वेल्थ, माली, गार्डनर, कसाई, बचर, ससुराल, इन लॉस होम, मंगेतर, फियांस, भेजना, सैंड, मलाई, क्रीम, चटनी, सॉस, तूफान, स्टॉर्म, मिट्टी, सॉइल, बाढ़, फ्लड, भूकंप, अर्थक्वेक, ज्वालामुखी, वोल्केनो, सिटी, विसल, उधार लेना, बोरो, मसूर दाल, लेंटिल, दाल, पल्स, आटा, फ्लोर, उबासी लेना, यॉनिंग, मुलायम, सॉफ्ट, बरसाती, रेनी, झाग, फोम, रोग, डिजीज, बौना, ड्वार्फ, पागलपन, लुनेसी, लंगड़ा, लेम, बहरा, डीप, गूंगा, डम्ब, अंधा, ब्लाइंड, नाश्ता, ब्रेकफास्ट, नारी, ड्रेन, झाड़ू, ब्रूम, आंसू, टीयर्स, पत्थर, स्टोन, ईट, ब्रिक, धागा, थ्रेड, सुई, निडल, सुई इज यस निडल, चढ़ना, क्लाइम, फेंकना, थ्रो, याद दिलाना, रिमाइंड, थका हुआ, टायर्ड, गुफा, केव, पिंजरा, केज, कंबल, ब्लैंकेट, तलवार, स्वॉर्ड, हमेशा, फॉरएवर, हड्डी, बोन, दाढ़ी, बियर्ड, एड़ी, हील, खीरा, कुकुम्बर, कबूतर, पिजियन, लहसुन, गार्लिक, अदरक इज जिंजर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, अफवाह, ह्यूमर, भ्रष्टाचार, करप्शन, हत्या, मर्डर, सिंदूर, वर्मिलियन, शाबाश, वेटरन, बेशक, ऑफकोर्स, निचोड़ना, स्क्वीज, सेकना, बेक, पीसना, ग्राइंड, छानना, स्ट्रेन, छीलना, पील, कंजूस, माइजर, जो कोई भी, हुएवर, जो कुछ भी, विचेवर, परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, कांपना, ट्रैम्बल, चुगलखोर, इट्स स्पिनेच, स्नीचर, विधवा, विडो, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनेंट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, मेहमान, गेस्ट, बातूनी, गैरुलस, अनपढ़, लिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, अनपढ़ इज इलिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, समझदार, सेंसिबल, किसको, हुज, किसको, होम, किसका, होज, अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड, घटिया, सॉडी, फौजी, सैनिक, सोल्जर, दया, मर्सी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, ज्वारी, गैमलर, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, गड्ढा, पेट, कीचड़, मड, बौना, ड्वार्फ, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, सुखदायक, सूदिंग, सत्यानाश, डैमेज, प्रतीत होना, सीमा, अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विच, वरदान, बोन, शराब, कर्ज, खुजली, इचिंग, वफादार, लॉयल, शपथ लेना, ओत, जाति, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, आचार, पिकल, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन और संयम, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक इज आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, आलोचना इज क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, मासूम, इनोसेंट, प्रयास इज एफर्ट, धरती, अर्थ, धड़कन, हार्टबीट, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर, झूला, स्विंग, इच्छा, डिजायर, घाव इज वाउंड, घूरना, स्टीयर, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, उचित, प्रॉपर, उलझन, कन्फ्यूजन और डिलेमा, उम्मीद, होप, हालत, कंडीशन, भाग्य, फेट, थोड़ा, लिटिल बिट, तालमेल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, उत्साह इज एंथुजियाज्म, उपाय, रेमेडी और सॉल्यूशन, बीमार, सिक, आदत, हैबिट, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रस्ताव, प्रपोजल, प्राचीन, इंसान, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, तरक्की इज प्रोग्रेस, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, अप्रोप्रिएट, उपयुक्त, मूली, रेडिस, पालक, स्पिनच, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, बर्तन, यूटेंसिल, जड़ी बूटी, हर, कमर, वेस्ट, चोट, इंजरी, कपड़े धोने का स्थान, लॉन्ड्री, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कांच ग्लास, पैदल, ऑन फुट, नतीजा, आउटकम के बजाय, इंस्टीड, मुश्किल, रैली, आधी रात, मिडनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आ रात, टुनाइट, पक्का, श्योर, पर्दे, कर्टेन के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, बगल में, डिसाइड, पकड़ना, कैच, खिलाना, फीड, भौंकना, बार, कोरोना, क्राइम, विचार, थॉट, न्याय, जस्टिस, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, विरोध करना, प्रोटेस्ट, पहुंचना, अराइव, दिया, दिखाना, ह्यूमिलिएट, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिली, डांटना, स्कोर, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, लगाव, अफेक्शन, इश्कबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, कुमारा, बैचलर, बहादुर, ब्रेव, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, परेशानी, ट्रबल, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, पास, नेयर, खटखटाना, नॉक बनाना, क्रिएट, पीछे, बिहाइंड, सचमुच, लिटरली, जरूरी, एसेंशियल, निश्चित रूप से, अपरेंटली, फुसफुसाना, विस्पर, धीरज, पेशेंस, लिफाफा, एनवेलप, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, आश्चर्य, वॉन्डर, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, लेआउट, ब्रिंग, सांस, ब्रीथ, भक्त, डिवोटी, उत्सुक, एगर, आत्मा, सोल, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, स्वीकार करना, acknowledge. So basically, as we have completed in 14 minutes 33 to 34 seconds we have completed, but my target is to complete till 14 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I think it is not a big deal. Okay, so let me pause the video first. Let me take the rest. So yeah guys, so basically Now the thing is what is the announcement. First let me before telling the announcement, first I have saw the one mistake in the vocabulary. There is, I've learned in Hindi to English, but when I started learning English to Hindi, then that was difficult for me. So I just only want that the words of the vocabulary should be in my mind and I can use. So I need to study with both cases. So I have decided that one day I'll speak in Hindi to English vocabulary, and the next day English to Hindi. Okay, so it will be continuously similarly will be done to the next day, next day, next day. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing which was happened. So now what I wanted to tell you guys, that is about the one thing I wanted to show you. Let me show you first. So the guys, I just only wanted to show you that I have already made the one plan where I have pledged that I will have to study 40 hours in a week. Simple. If I tell you seriously, then 5 to 6 hours approximately in a day I have to study at any case. Okay, so the thing is simple. In 1 week, in 7 days, I have to complete 40 hours of study. The thing is simple. So this plan I already made in the 8th July, and this video is about the routine of 11th July, and I have completed how many hours? Like 8, 9, 10, 11. In 11 days I have only studied how many hours? Let me show you. Here you can see. Okay. Here you can clearly see what is this actually. So basically the thing is that I have studied only 11 hours. I have started from the 8th July 2024 to 14th July 2024, and I have studied only from the 4 days only 11 hours, and the last 3 days 6 3 is 24 plus 11 34 35. I am failed in this task. That means if I need to read next day, if I studied at least 6 hours a day, then that is 24 hours, and this 11 hours is 30 24 30 35 hours I have only completed. So that means this is fail. There is no use of this. I have incompleted, and I am failed to complete this task, right now. So this is the thing with I'm apologize to you that I didn't told you about this, but I wanted to do this alone, but I not completed. So that is why from now I'm telling to you in this video, and I will complete 40 hours in a week from 12th July. So basically this video is about the routine of 11th July, and this day is already completed, but 12th July is the day of Friday, and I have to complete, and this week from Friday I will only count 7 days. So 12, wait guys, so basically this plan is failed. Okay, so let me situate this here. So from 12th July Friday I have to complete 7 days, that is 1 week. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is the 1 week. Okay, from Friday. So this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, till, so next day is Friday to Thursday I have to complete 40 hours of study. So without wasting the time, not even a single. If I am searching, then that will not count in 40 hours. If if I'm searching anything, if I'm talking to somebody while studying, that will be not count in 40 hours. 40 hours means fully focused on the study, no going, no looking there, no looking here, right? So let me show you the plan. Basically I've already told you with the help of fingers, but let me show you. So basically the thing is that here you can see I have made this 1 to 10 hours, 11 to 20 hours, 21 to 30 hours, 31 to 40 hours. And this is 12 July, 13 July, 14 July, 15 July, 16 July, 17 July, 18 July. Okay. So if I have completed the 1 hours of study, then I will cross this one. If I have completed the 5 hours of study, then I will cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Okay. So basically this is the my strategy. So, and this is the thing which is I wanted to announce you. So I hope that I will complete this at very soon. So I think this is enough for today. So okay guys, Siri Radhe, bye bye.